Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Casio FX-9860GIII and opening the main menu. This gets you to graph, run mat, and table fast. Once done, press Shift then Menu to check memory and remove old variables so results are clean. This avoids confusion later. Next, enter mode and choose degree or radian depending on your problem, because trig answers depend on it. Make sure contrast and beep are comfortable. Adjust contrast with Shift plus F6 if the screen looks faint. You now open Graph and press F1 to input your first function. Type carefully, using alpha to insert X and parentheses to group operations, because order matters. Once the equation is entered, press F6 to plot. If the curve looks wrong, go to View window and set Xmin, Xmax, Imin, Imax to frame the region you care about. If repeated adjustments feel tedious, use Zoom and choose Standard or Auto. This quickly rescales axes, so you can analyze intercepts and behavior at a glance. You finish by analyzing the plotted graph. Press Trace and use arrow keys to move along the curve, because visual inspection often reveals maxima or inflection zones. Once located, press F5 and choose Root or Intersect to compute exact zeros. These tools solve problems faster than manual guessing. When done, export or save variables with Shift, then Menu and Data Transfer, or copy values into Run Mat for further calculation. If an operation fails, reset only memory, not settings. Use Shift plus 9 to avoid losing custom modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.